Next, it's another thing that we will make, and this is how we are giving this nice pattern so that it looks something like this over here with a face and this thing on top so that it looks like a boy over here wearing this nice thing on top, and lower part we are trying to make something like this his hand and making this nice cute look over here, and it's again a baby boy that we have created. Next, it's another thing that we are trying to make here, and it's a lovely thing that we have made with big eyes over here as we can make it, and the nose like this, and it's a nice face we are trying to make over here, a nice cartoon face depicting a monkey look here, and this is the body parts we are making here with big hands, and this is how one hand is up and one hand is down like this, and the legs over here, and he is saying hi to his friends over here. You can make side by side his similar friends over here.